Welcome back to Crafter Support. I'm Andrea, and today we're jumping into day 7 of organizing our craft space. So one of the easiest ways to organize your Cricut machines is by using a bag. And Cricut has designed this bag specifically for the Cricut Joy. And it holds, because the Cricut Joy is so compact, it holds it so nicely. It holds your cords and your Cricut Joy slides in nicely, and then it has a little pouch in the back that you can just tuck your mats in if you'd like, and it has a nice handle. So there are other brands out there that make bags for the Joy, but I like this one because it holds the Joy perfectly safe, but I'm sure there's other ones that do the same thing, but this is the only one that I have for the Joy right now. But I do like this one for when I'm going to crops or having taking it downstairs to craft outside of my craft space. It just keeps everything together. The next one is for the Cricut Joy Extra. Now this bag is pretty amazing. If you followed my channel, you know that I have used this one and shared with you guys how to load it all up, and you can cut with the machine directly in the bag all the time. And here's how. The machine unzippers in the front, and it has a pocket so you can put pens or tools inside of it, and that's right there. And then your machine sits right here, and then on the back it unzips and you can put pens, tools, whatever inside of this little space right here, and your machine just sits inside and it cuts inside of this bag. It even has a little opening at the top so you can see that if your Joy is on or not. So I highly recommend this. This was off Amazon. I will put the link to this below if it's still available, and then you guys can check it out if you'd like. Now it also has a snap in the front, so you can put some things in the front as well. But I highly recommend a bag if you're traveling with your Joy or your Joy Extra. So the next bag was loaned to me by a friend, and I'm going to show you that bag here in 1 second. So this bag is for your Explore Air 2s and up, and again this was lent to me by one of my viewers and friends that has made this bag super cute. But I'm pretty sure she got this off Amazon, and I know they have a bunch of different ones. Hobby Lobby carries them. I think we were just at Hobby Lobby and they had them for like $50, around that price range. So if you want something like this, you can definitely check out there. Go to Amazon. She decorated hers up so cute. Look at that. So she just used iron-on and decorated the top. These have zippered top pieces. And here's where she keeps her cords. And she even, I believe she made this. She was sewing this and made a cover for her machine, which is genius. I have covers for my machines and I think they're great. I would love for you, Marianne, to teach us how to sew covers for our Cricuts. That could be a future video. Alright, so with that piece zipped up, we also have this zipper part. And it opens up, and inside is her Explore Air 3, or her Explore 3, I'm sorry, not the Air, the Explore 3. And it has straps to hold the machine in nice and tight. There's also room in here she could tuck some material in if she would like to. And it, again, we just zipper it up. And then in the front, there's another pouch. And you can hold all the pens. You can she has extra blades in here. There's zipper pockets on the bottom to where you can hold all different little pieces of material that you would like. But these bags are amazing for staying organized. So if you have a small space and you're looking for a way to keep all of your things together and you have one of the larger machines, I definitely recommend a bag like this. Again, this one is for the Joy Extra, and this one is for the Cricut Joy. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you all are enjoying the videos that we're making for the organization for January. And until next time, guys, bye!